this is the state Artie's in. He won't start. So I'm going to try to jump him off my sister's car and we will see what we can do. Oh, fun. Well, hello everybody. So, I am trying to thaw out my bus so I can see if there's any leaks as it gets thawed out or if everything's going to be good. So we will see. But this did happen. Bummer. I guess I didn't get all the water out of the water heater, and that's exactly what it did all by itself. So, dang it. All right, so there's my water heater. So I want to see how much water was in there, so I'm gonna let it thaw out. All right, so that looks cool. And I've got the new one ordered and it's on its way. Hello everybody, we are getting ready to head on out. Headed to Wichita. Finally got everything packed, ready to go, and here I go. Waving bye to Suzanne. Maybe, there we go. I hope your week has been a good one. In this week's video, I'll be going over a few things that I had to get through before I could leave Iowa. I am now in Kansas. We're waiting on a part so I can get my tanks properly vented. But the part should be in tomorrow and I should be able to get that in there. I need to go south and get a little warmer. Although the weather here in Wichita was fantastic all week, I could not complain. Yesterday was rainy, and I'll take it because that's the first cold weather I've had in about 8 days, and I'm so thankful. So I got it out of the bus before it melted and made a mess. But it looks like the rest of my pipes and water pump and everything else is fine. Put that in once I got to Wichita, and as soon as I get the tanks vented, I'll be able to fill them up and see how everything works. Cross your fingers for me, would you? Finally got the Starlink mounted, at least temporary. Thanks for following along. Paintings are coming along. I've done a few little birds. I'm gonna start on a few more here, and I've been working on the mains painting too. I don't know. Also, I've been working on the United States painting, which is something I'm going to do through the whole project. I've been working on that from the beginning, and that's something that's kind of, I'll take my time on. Kind of excited about that one. I hope this week that you had a good week. If you were in cold weather, that you stayed warm. Last week for me was pure sunshine. I loved it. I'll get these tanks together and start heading south. Have a good week.